Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Google Flow Music. Actually, this is amazing. And you know what? You can create amazing songs with this. This is much better than any music video creator or AI music generator I have ever seen. You know what? This has a producer mode. The producer mode feels like you are having an AI assistant which is just generating the music for you. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use this and generate awesome music videos. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to show you what kind of music to generate.
Fit on clean, whole squad outside. Lights flash fast, yeah, we own the night. No stress here, just beats and vibes. No stress here, just beats and vibes. One more drop, now we come alive. No curfew tonight, we loud, we live. Bass go boom, feel it in your ribs. Hands up high, don't think, just move. We don't stop, we just break the rules. Yeah, let's go. No curfew tonight, we loud, we live. Bass go boom.
You just checked out the quality. The quality was very awesome. So now we have actually listened how Google Flow creates songs. But the time has changed. Now let's understand how you can create your own one. So first of all, guys, you have to just search on any web browser you are using on Google Flow Music. And after searching this, you will see a link like this. It could be like a producer icon here and Flow Music would be written there. Just click on that link. And guys, when you will click on this link, you will see a interface like this. So this is Google Flow Music. Now you can see here it is written that ask producer. So ask producer is a mode which can act as your live AI assistant that can guide you how you can create your own music with the help of this tool. Creating music with this tool is very simple. There are two methods in which you can create. First method is the traditional method, like the way you create music in Suno AI or Music GPT. You can just add your lyrics, you can just add your sound, like the instructions in which you want to make the model sing the music. And here is something cool. You can just click on the advanced option, and here's a option named Dynamics. And under Dynamics, there are four features: BPM, length, seed, and model. So here you can just actually just write your custom BPM, the length of the song you want to make, the seed you want to use, and the model is obviously Lyra 3 Pro. So guys, I hope you are not bored till now, because if you are bored, then I am ready to just kill your boredness, because now we are actually stating the music. So first of all, let's try the traditional way. Just open ChatGPT and you can, just generate lyrics in any style you want. For suppose, let's make a music for a birthday party named Girl Tina. No, not Tina. Actually, let's create a music for Alyssa. I want to create a custom music song for my friend Alyssa for her birthday party. I want the song to be energetic, full of pop and hip hop style, and also it must be fast and the people can dance on that music. So let's submit this prompt to ChatGPT and wait for the response. So as you can see, our lyrics has been ready. Here is the verse. Here is the big chorus. Means you can understand this. This is the thing we don't want to involve us in too much because we are just testing how Google Flow Music works. I feel this is too long and let's make it shorter. Make the lyrics shorter. So as you can see, our lyrics have been compressed and become small. So now I want a singing instruction because every lyrics need a singing style. Every lyrics need a way, a path on which the model will look out to generate the music. So I will write on ChatGPT, give me a singing instruction for my AI to generate this music and sing in the way I mentioned above. Now just submit this prompt. So now as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the prompt. So let's copy this. I feel till here it is okay to copy. Just paste your instructions. And in the lyrics tab, we are going to paste our lyrics. And guys, be excited because I feel something crazy is going to be generated. Now just click on the generate option. Now as you can see, Google Flow Music is crafting a song. Till the time it is creating the music, I want to tell you one thing. The producer mode is quite good as I have tried personally many times and I feel that if someone is a beginner in creating music or has no expertise, producer mode can help a lot in creating professional, fast or any kind of music they want to create. The music we have created is an energetic party type music where the singer will show its energy. I feel it is generated. Let's listen to the track.
Yeah, yeah. Elsie's night. Let's go. Step in the room, lights on you. Whole squad vibing when you come through. Whole squad vibing when you come through. Bass go boom when you come through. Bass go boom. Feel that heat. Everybody moving to the beat. Everybody moving to the beat. Hey, it's Elsie's birthday. Dance all night, no break day. Jump, jump, feel the bass drop. We don't stop, we don't stop. Queen of the night, yeah, she shine. Hands up high, it's her time. Hands up high, it's her time. No stress, just party mode. No stress, just party mode.
this was the song Google Flow Music has created using the traditional method we have used. Now it's time to show you something. We are going to use producer mode. So here is the option. You can ask anything you want. It's like the ChatGPT for music. So let's write, I want to create a music for nature, which looks like a rap music with energetic and pop lyrics and tone. This is a very vague prompt because we want to test the producer mode's capabilities. So I am not writing an advanced prompt. This is a very vague version of the prompt if you want to generate music. I would not recommend you to use this if you are using any other tool. So just send a message to the model and let's see what it happens. Wait, I feel it is ignoring the lyrics or it will create a lyrics. Let's see what happens. But one thing I want to tell you guys is that personally, I've used all the tools like Music GPT, Suno AI, and even this. And I feel this one is quite best and good. As you can see, automatically the lyrics are being generated. So this one was an instrumental track. But let's see if the second one or it is also instrumental.
Breathing, white water down the basin, white water down the basin. Speeding like what I'm chasing. I'm on a level above them. Cloud on my boots, I love it. Rock in my hand, no budget. Rock in my hand, no budget. Top of the world, I touch it. Slide on the slope, I'm rolling. Leather and ice, I'm holding. River is wild.
But if you're feeling that you don't want to generate music and songs in English, then I want to show you something because you can generate any language. It's not mandatory or compulsory that it can contain English only. I want to show you a Hindi track that I created, kind of a bhajan.
बरसाने की गलियों में महके तेरी कहानी रंगों से भी गहरी है तेरी ये दीवानी शाम भी खो जाए तेरी मुस्कान में राधा रानी बसी हो हर एक प्राण में तेरी पायल की धुन पे सजे ये जहां तेरे धड़के ये दिल यहाँ राधा रानी तेरी छाँव में.
So guys, whether you want to create music in Hindi or English, that doesn't matter. The one thing that matters the most is how you're guiding, because AI has no context. What you are assuming is in your mind, not in AI's memory. You have to just flow your instructions through prompts to AI's mind. So my simple advice is that any tool you are using, whether it's Google Flow Music, Suno AI, or Music GPT, one thing which matters the most is the singing instructions. because lyrics are easy to generate, but singing instructions must be very specific and clear of what type you want, because AI can be creative sometimes and generate some tracks which you didn't expect. So I hope this was a quick intro of Google Flow Music, how you can use this, how you can create awesome songs using this, and if you want part 2, how you can create a music video with this, then please comment down and like, share and subscribe to this channel for more future videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.